Hi, my name's Veronica Revan and welcome to my channel Skinside Knowledge. Today I'm going to be doing a product haul / product review on skincare brand Cosmedix, so stay tuned to find out more. So Cosmedix is a professional skincare brand that's distributed globally. It's based in America. It's a skincare brand that I use in clinic and also use at home as well. So it's a fantastic brand that gives amazing results while caring and treating your skin. So it doesn't use anything harsh, it doesn't use artificial ingredients, it's all natural, but they deliver fantastic results. Cosmedix is a fantastic brand which I have been using personally for the last few months, and I've saw amazing results on my skin, and also I've saw amazing results on clients' skin in clinic as well. So I've recently topped up on some more products, and I'm now going to show you which products those are, and I'm also going to just talk to you about each of the products individually. So the first product I have is called Purity Solution. So let me just see if you can see that. Yeah, Purity Solution. So this is an oil-based cleanser that's deeply nourishing, but it's for all skin types. I have oily skin, but this is an amazing product for all skin types. It is an oil-based cleanser, and what it is a pre-cleanse, so you can use it as your first cleanse for when you're doing a double cleanse in the evening to remove makeup. It also can be just used if you do have more drier skin and you want a more nourishing cleanser, and this is fantastic for that as well. But in regards to if you have oily or combination skin, this is great for that first initial cleanse to remove makeup. How you would use it is actually you put it dry onto the skin. So I've used about 2 pumps, and I would place it onto the skin dry, massage it into the skin, and then once it's nice and massaged, I would then add some lukewarm water and put it onto the skin again, massage, and it will actually go, it will emulsify, so it will go milky, and this is really good because this is where it's going to help to lift off all those excess oils. It's going to lift off makeup, sunscreen, everything that's on your skin, so that you can move on to the next stage of cleansing the skin for a deeper, more thorough cleanse. This product is a beautiful consistency. It's a nice oil, and like I said, it's deeply purifying as well as deeply nourishing for the skin. So yes, it contains argan and moringa oil. It also contains olive oil as well, so it's nice and nourishing. It also is purifying and balancing to the skin. So in terms of oily skin, if your skin's oily, it's going to help to purify it. It will help, the oil will actually attract oil. Oil attracts oil, so it will actually help to draw out the excess oils without stripping the skin and leaving it too dry. For dry skin, those oils are going to nourish the skin, and for sensitive skin, this is great as well. It also helps to calm redness, calm and soothe the skin as well. So it's a great product for anyone to have, and it's the first step in any cleansing routine, so it's really good. So yes, this is Purity Solution, which I definitely give a thumbs up if you want to really nourish your skin and get into a good cleansing routine. This is the product to go with. So I'm just gonna zoom in. So the next product that I have is Purity Clean. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, Purity Clean. So this is another cleanser. Now this is actually a treatment cleanser, so I use this on my skin to actually treat the skin while it's cleansing. So I'll just show you out of the box, and I really do like the packaging of Cosmedix. It's really sleek, professional packaging. But yeah, so Purity Clean, this is an exfoliating cleanser. So it has in there lactic acid, which actually helps to exfoliate the skin, so it removes the you know, the dead skin cells, but it also helps with hydrating and brightening the skin as well. So this is an amazing cleanser to use each day to help with gently exfoliating the skin each day, and also with purifying and deep cleansing as well. You know, because I have oily skin, I can get clogged pores very easily, so this helps to deep cleanse the pores while at the same time not stripping the skin so the skin doesn't get dehydrated. It actually helps with hydration levels as well because of the lactic acid. Another note that I should tell you about Cosmedix is all of their ingredients are actually purified on a molecular level. So that means that they are actually, the ingredients have been purified so that they don't cause irritation to the skin. It uses the correct type of ingredients to go into the skin so that the skin will readily accept it. So it doesn't cause irritation. So it has lactic acid, but the type of lactic acid is L-lactic acid. So like it says, this is a really nice cleanser that you can use each day to deeply cleanse the skin. You would use, I use 1 pump in the morning. So in the morning I will just use 1 pump and put it dry on the skin, and I will just massage that in and leave that on for up to 3 minutes and then wash it off. And then in the evening I actually use 2 pumps and mix it with water, and then I then massage it onto the skin and wash it off then as well. And once I've washed it off, my skin feels so soft. It feels soft, it feels nice and balanced, it doesn't feel dry. So this is an amazing product to have. So the ingredients, so it has, as I said, L-lactic acid. It has 5% of this lactic acid in there. So this is what's going to help to gently exfoliate the skin, but lactic acid also hydrates the skin as well. So this is even good for, you know, more dry skin types and dehydrated skin as well as oily. So it also contains peppermint oil, which is nice and refreshing on the skin. It also is cooling as well. And then it has in there tea tree oil. So tea tree oil is going to balance and purify the skin. It's also very healing as well. So this is a fantastic cleanser to use whether you have oily skin, whether you have spot prone skin, if you have dry skin, dehydrated, if you want to brighten the skin. This is a fantastic treatment cleanser to use. Okay, so the next product that I have is an hydrating mist, which is called Mystic. There we go. Yeah, Mystic. So this is a hydrating mist. But it's a lot more than just, you know, your regular hydrating mist. It actually is a lightweight moisturizer that is really good for oily skin combination, sensitive skin as well. You can use this acne prone skin. It helps to add the hydration, but it's completely lightweight as well. So I use this morning and sometimes night as well, depending on the routine I'm doing, but every morning I use this, and it's just so quick and easy to use, and it really does leave your skin nice and hydrated. So I just literally spray over the skin. So I would cleanse my skin, apply any serum, and then I would spray this over the top. You can also spray it on top of makeup to set as well, so that's another handy tip. You can spray this on top of makeup, you can spray this throughout the day if you're feeling a bit dehydrated. Fantastic for travelling as well, so if you're taking a lot of aeroplanes, if you're just generally travelling, or if you're in a more hot climate, fantastic product to use. So I'm just going to demonstrate. So literally it's like that, you just spray over like that, quick, easy, done, and you're hydrated. So yeah, I use this instead of my moisturizer in the daytime, just because, like I said, it's very quick, easy, and it's lightweight as well. So I'll just put the top on. So the key ingredients in this product, the first one is heavy water. So this is what's going to cause the hydration aspect to this product. So this will help with any reducing any water loss in the skin and keeping the skin nice and hydrated throughout the day. It also has aloe vera, which is very soothing and calming for the skin as well. So like I said, really good for sensitive skin, dehydrated, if your skin feels tight. Amazing product. And also it has witch hazel in there. Witch hazel is very healing. It's also purifying as well. So even for like oily, breakout, acne prone skin, this is fantastic, lightweight moisturizer to use each and every day. Okay. So the final product I have to show you is a detox mask. So there we go. So Detox Mask, this is an amazing mask which, as the name suggests, actually detoxifies the skin. So it's really good for oily skin types, and also for sensitive skin as well, or if you just want to, your skin's feeling quite dull, travelers, this is amazing skin, amazing product for travelers as well, or office workers, city workers, because it helps to detoxify the skin from daily let's just start again. It helps to detoxify the skin from daily pollution. It also helps with excess oils as well. So I use this product twice a week in the evening, and I just put it onto the skin. My skin's slightly damp, so I would have already cleansed, so I would have pre-cleansed, I would have cleansed with Purity Clean, and then I would use this. So my skin will be nice and damp, and then I'll apply like a 10 pence size amount, 10 pence, 50 pence size amount, and then just put that onto the skin, a nice even layer over the skin, avoiding the eyes, and then I would leave it, I would rub it in for a bit, just massage it for a minute, and then I would leave that on the skin for 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how my skin's feeling, but yeah, about 15 minutes, and then I would wash it off. It has a lovely smell. Well, all of the Cosmedix range really have a really nice smell to it, but yeah, so the key ingredient in this is activated charcoal. So this is not like those charcoal masks that you may have seen on social media or online, where they put on this mask that's like this black mask, and it dries and sets and you peel it off. No, this is actual mask. So it's a creamy mask. It's a clay-based mask, but the key ingredient is active charcoal. So you would put it on, and then you would leave it on, like I said, for about 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off. It washes off really nice and easily. You don't have to peel it off, and it just leaves your skin, literally when you take it off, your skin feels so soft, and also your skin just feels like it's just relaxed. It doesn't feel tight in any way, and it really does detox the skin, unclog the pores, and it helps to brighten as well. So it helps to just take away that dullness that can happen when the skin becomes a bit tired. So this is a great product to use, and like I said, I'd use it twice a week. You can, to boost the effects, you can exfoliate before using this product, before using this mask. So after you've cleansed, you'd exfoliate and then apply the mask, or if you want to, you can just apply the mask. And then after you've removed the mask, you can then hydrate the skin. So you can use like the Mystic spray, or you can use any hydrating serums, and then you can after that moisturize or use any other treatments that you use on your skin at night. So yes, it also has in there, let's check, yeah, it has in there, so I talked about clay as well. So it has kaolin clay, so this actually helps to draw out any impurities, it helps to unclog pores, any dirt or grime that's on the skin. It helps to just draw that out for leaving the skin a lot more cleansed. Then it also has dandelion extract in there. So dandelion extract helps to protect against pollution, and it helps to give radiance to the skin as well. So really nice ingredient. And it also has diatomaceous earth in there, which is actually helps to exfoliate the skin. So when you put it on the skin, you will notice that it has like these tiny little bits. So that's what that is. And when you just gently rub it on the skin for the first minute, that's going to help to exfoliate as well. So amazing product. I definitely give this a thumbs up. And if you want to just add something into your skincare routine to just boost your skincare, I would definitely advise using a mask, and this mask, Detox Mask, is great. Another thing, you would just use this in the evening, so this is just an evening product, okay? But yeah, so those are the 4 products that I've got from Cosmedix recently. I have lots more, so I'll probably do more skincare and product reviews using Cosmedix. But if you wanted to know more about Cosmedix, I'll put the link in the description box below. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it's been helpful, and you know, if you've never heard of Cosmedix before, I hope this has helped a bit. And you know, it is a fantastic skincare brand, and I'll definitely be doing more reviews on more of their products in the future. So if you want to find out more about skincare, please subscribe to the channel. You can also share this video, you can comment below, because I do plan to do some question and answer videos. So if you have any questions, you know, you can put them in the comment box below and I'll get back to them. Also, Skinside Knowledge is on Instagram. So on the Instagram page, there's daily posts, skin tips, more product reviews. So it's a great for you to keep up in the loop on what's happening on Skinside Knowledge. So on Instagram, it is Skinside Knowledge. Again, everything will be in the description box below. So it would be great if you could follow on there as well. So again, thank you for watching, and take care, and see you next time. Bye.